He joined Alind as design engineer. It was while he was at Alind that he met P. Shivashankaran, general manager, who was to become his mentor. He took Ayyappan on as executive assistant in his office at Chennai. When Shivashankaran moved to Silk as MD, Ayyappan followed him there to handle important responsibilities that helped hone his skills in different branches of management. During this time, Ayyappan also completed an MBA from the Cochin University. Ayyappan joined Hindustan Latex in 1991 as marketing manager. He joined HLL at a time when it was starting to make the transition from a predominantly manufacturing company into a market-oriented organization. His energy and drive enabled HLL to grow the share of open market sales in condoms as well as other products, so much so that HLL is the market leader in all product segments in which it is active. His good performance was recognized by the HLL management, which elevated him to General Manager Marketing, then to Executive Director, and later to Director. During this time, HLL also started an international division, which today exports products to over 70 countries. It would be fair to say that Ayyappan has played an important role in transforming HLL from just another PSU into an important player in the global market for birth control products and other healthcare products. It was fitting that Ayyappan was elevated as Managing Director of HLL in 2003 and more recently as Chairman and Managing Director. This is a recognition of the important role he has played in the growth and transformation of HLL. Ayyappan has gone on record that he wishes to make HLL a rupees 1,000 crore company by 2010 and is focusing his energies and those of his team on this task. Ayyappan has not forgotten that corporates have a social responsibility and has devoted considerable time and resources to projects in this sphere aimed at directly impacting social welfare and public health. The Hindustan Latex Family Planning Promotion Trust and the LifeSpring chain of primary care maternity hospitals are testimony to this commitment. Ayyappan has taken an interest in management education and training and serves on the Board of Studies, Board of Future Studies, and the Quality Advisory Committee of the University of Kerala. He is also on the guest faculty of the MBA program of the University of Kerala. As a two-term president of the Trivandrum Management Association, he has made significant contributions to the management profession in this region, as well as helping to lift the profile of the TMA among practicing managers. Ayyappan's career represents many of the important attributes that have helped to make management one of the most important professions during the past century. All his work is characterized by careful planning, meticulous execution, and close follow-up. Added to all this is his passion for achievement, which has driven him to overcome difficulties, both personal as well as professional. Rising to the top of a well-known company at such a young age is testimony to his managerial qualities. TMA would like to recognize the achievements of a professional manager whose career represents many of the best qualities of the management profession. The Trivandrum Management Association is happy to present the Management Leadership Award for 2006 to M. Ayyappan in recognition of his many achievements and contributions in the field of management. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We now move on to the award presentation ceremony. May we now request His Excellency, the Governor of Kerala, Shri
Bhatia, to present the Management Leadership Award 2006 and citation to Mr. M. Ayyappan, Chairman and Managing Director of Hindustan Latex Limited, a Government of India enterprise now designated as one of India's Mini Ratnas. Request His Excellency to present the awards to the winners of the essay competition conducted by the Trivandrum Management Association in connection with Management Day 2007. The first prize in the student category goes to Ms. N. Punya. Ms. Punya is a second-year biotechnology student from the Marvel Daniels College, Trivandrum. The second prize goes to S. Karthik, a student of the Asian School of Business, Trivandrum.
The first prize in the junior executive category goes to Mr. Saju G. Nair. He is a junior executive of Teramo Penpal Limited, Trivandrum. The second prize goes to Ms. Deepa Chandran, who is also a junior executive of Teramo Penpal Limited. We thank His Excellency for the presentation of the awards. Ladies and gentlemen, may I now invite the recipient of the Management Leadership Award 2006, Mr. M. Ayyappan, to address the gathering.
His Excellency, the Governor of Kerala, Shri R.L. Bhattacharya, Shri E.M. Najib, President of Trivandrum Management Association, Shri T. Balakrishnan, Principal Secretary to Government of Kerala, Shri Balagopal, Managing Director of Teramo Penpal, Shri Ishwarachandran Nair, Vice President of TMA, Shri Joseph Varghese, Joint Secretary, distinguished guests, esteemed members of the media, my dear friends and colleagues. It's indeed a defining moment in my life. I consider the Management Leadership Award as a great honor to me. The opportunity to work in our home state and get recognized for the work is one of the rarest privileges of today's life. As I stand before you, I remember with all humility the blessings, guidance, and support I have received from great people at every stage in my life, which have made me what I am today. I bow to the memory of my late father, who instilled in me the values of hard work, sincerity, and honesty. These are the values which helped me to grow in my professional and personal life. I wish to express my gratitude to my mother and all my gurus who gave me the knowledge and wisdom all through my life. My wife and two sons who have been kind to me despite being time-stressed and acted as great buffer in managing the complexities of modern work life. I have always remembered with gratitude my long-standing association with Sri S.N. Nair, former Managing Director of Alent, under whose tutelage I started my career. My experience in aluminum industries instilled in me a deep passion for building the right organizational culture essential for making an enterprise great. My team of wonderful colleagues and teammates in Alent taught me the great lessons of organization building, which I could practice in all my endeavors subsequently. I owe a lot to my mentor, philosopher and guide, Sri Shivashankaran, who was formerly Chairman and Managing Director of Silk and Vice Chairman and Managing Director of Asianet Satellite Communications. I had the great opportunity to working with him in the early formative years of my career. His ability to work with an eagle eye for details and single-minded focus on the most essential has been the best management lessons I have learned from him, which have stood me in good stead in the later years. I feel blessed by the inspiring presence of Sri S.N. Nair and Sri Shivashankaran, who augurs well with this moment. I am grateful for the very valued lessons, especially in leadership, that Sri G. Rajmohan, my predecessor in Hindustan Latex Limited, has bestowed on me during my 12 years of association with him. In the age of rapid career mobility and lesser organization loyalty, I had the unique opportunity of joining the company which I lead today as a middle-level manager and grow into the current leadership position. Every one of the 2,000 strong team members in Hindustan Latex Limited has made a contribution in enriching my professional life. I do cherish every moment I spend with my team members in our effort of putting HLL on the path of its rapid growth into a great global healthcare company. There is a very wrong and extreme perception about our state being the hotbed of labor activism and unrest. It has been articulated as one of the reasons for our economic backwardness. As a manager who has associated for over 2 decades in labor-intensive industries of the state, I strongly feel that this is the biggest myth perpetuated over the last several years, yet to be exploded though. With high level of participative management, constant communication, and transparent governance system, I have always found a great ally in our trade union partners in building up businesses. I am sure as more managers practice an inclusive and pragmatic approach in working with trade union leaders as partners, it would be a win-win situation and would lead to enhanced level of industrial investment in Kerala. Quite often I am asked what contributes to personal and organizational success. My answer has been dreams and passions. The ability to dream and the urge to put the passion to reality is the alchemy for any success story. It is the dreams and passions that have made progress and real transformation possible. Dreams, as you know, take wings on the determined will of individuals. Great inventions and discoveries were made by those who were not pursuing paychecks, but by the ones who pursued their dreams. Maybe I was one of the fortunate few who got the opportunity to pursue challenging organizational dreams with like-minded management team. Today, I could say confidently that our team could make most impossible dreams into reality through passionate execution. We need more dreamer-doers to take our country to that sought-after double-digit growth and lift the 300 million living in squalor and poverty to dignified living levels. To the upcoming managers, I could say dreaming and doing is a must for a highly integrated and borderless world. More so as we live in an era when our dreams could be pursued in a scale which is truly global. As a manager from this part of the world, I subscribe to the vision of IMA in building world-class cities. Whenever I travel abroad, I feel how deprived we are without a world-class city. Despite having all potential of being a world-class city, we still live in an age of infrastructural backwardness. Trivandrum Management Association could do a lot in making ours a world-class city, and I offer all help to TMA in that endeavor. I do hope that our God's own country and its capital will become a world-class city and emerge as a hub of economic, intellectual, and cultural activities in the foreseeable future. Management is a holistic phenomenon. Everything matters. People, technology, governance, inspiration, and performance in any sphere of activity. I aspire and pray to God to help me grow more leaders and leave a legacy in better management of public sector enterprises that are capable of doing well by doing good. For creating that legacy, I need sustained guidance and blessings from each one of you. I once again thank the Trivandrum Management Association for bestowing me with this award and all those who inspired me and made me worthy of it. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. We wish you and the organization success in all future endeavors in innovating for healthy generations. We are indeed grateful for having with us Mr. T. Balakrishnan, IAS Principal Secretary, Industries and Commerce, Government of Kerala. Sir, we request you to felicitate.
Your Excellency, the Governor of Kerala, Sri R.L. Bhatia ji, Sri E.M. Najib, President of this function and President of Trivandrum Management Association, Sri Balagopal, MD, Thermopenpol Limited, Sri Ishwar Chandran Nair, Vice President, TMA, Sri Ayyappan, recipient of the award this year, Sri Joseph Varghese, Joint Secretary, TMA, ladies and gentlemen. Hindustan Latex Limited today is a globally recognized brand. And that achievement was not easy. Sri Ayyappan, who has received the award this afternoon, has played a major role in converting this organization into a globally recognized brand. My limited experience with PSU show that by and large in manufacturing,